Stop adding more tech and AI tools to scale your business. Tools are not the problem. I know that sounds a bit backwards, but if you're wondering if there's a way to reduce cost, increase revenue, and make your day-to-day management simpler, I'm going to show you how to do it with technology so you can actually scale without drowning in subscriptions and integrations in 6 simple steps. Now, let's jump in with step 1, because without this, none of the others will work. Now, think about your kitchen for a second. When you start cooking, you kind of have a knife and a pan when you were a student, right? Your cutting board, you still made meals that were more than good enough. You were going to eat them, your friends thought it was good. But then someone said, well, you should get a garlic press or a bread maker. Then soon your kitchen looks like a department store. You can't find just that one knife that actually works for the thing you need it to. And that's exactly what happens to your business tech stack. You start with Gmail and a spreadsheet, and then you discover you need a CRM. You need scheduling software, and before you know it, you're paying for 12 different tools, and none of them talk to each other. And of course, you spend more time managing your software than you do serving your customers. But the best kitchens and businesses in the world know that simple scales and complex fails. So before we add another tool to your stack, let's talk about the one thing you should remove first. And this will cut your costs and your management time overnight. How? I hear you say. Well, think of a Formula One pit crew for a second. So 20 years ago, they had 30 different people with 30 different tools, and they would all swarm around the car, and it was chaos, but they all knew what they had to do. Today, they've got 7 people with 7 specific tools, and they do everything faster and cleaner. Now, your business works the same way. When you're solo, your scattered tools kind of feel manageable because you're the only one that remembers where everything lives. But when you add your first employee, suddenly you're playing a game of, well, where did I put that client's info? Or worse, your employees going, where is that info? And add a third person and you're spending half your day just explaining which login goes with which platform, and it's just a mess. Now, most entrepreneurs panic and they add more coordination tools. Let's get a project manager to manage the tools, and then a password vault to share the tools, and documentation system to explain the tools. Craziness. Now, they're building a pit crew with 100 people instead of 7. Now, the scale stack principle flips this completely. It says that 3 systems that talk to each other beat 15 systems that don't. What are these 3 tools? Let me show you what happened to a marketing agency when we consolidated them down. We moved everything into Google Workspace for their communication. Now, that replaced their free Gmail accounts, their Slack, their Zoom, their Dropbox, and their personal Google Drives. We moved all their client operations into another platform that replaced HubSpot, Calendly, MailChimp, and about 18 Zapier integrations with stitching everything together. It was just mad. And we moved their website to proper WordPress hosting with Cloudflare sitting on top for security. 3 systems, down from 15. Their monthly spend dropped, but that's not where the real savings came from. The founder, he got back an entire day per week that he'd been spending managing technology and IT issues. The part that shocked them the most was this. It was what they were doing with AI. Once we did this, technology went from overhead to revenue generating with that one simple change. And here's the thing. Most businesses believe AI is another tool to add, so they go get ChatGPT and Claude and then image generation software, and they start adding even more kitchen tools again. But here's what actually happened with that marketing agency. We didn't need to add any more tools. We just turned on the AI that they already had. Google Workspace already has AI built in. They don't need meeting transcription software. It's all there in Google Meet. Their operations platform had AI waiting to be switched on. And so with one simple tweak, their client onboarding went from 20 manual steps to 3 automatic ones, and their simple CRM could now analyze interactions and flag upsell opportunities. Same 3 tools, same monthly cost, but now these tools were actively finding them money instead of organizing their work. When you combine this with what comes next, your business will be transformed because this is where everything clicks into place. Once you've got your simple stack working, AI is multiplying its power. There's one final move that separates businesses that scale from businesses that stall. Think about McDonald's for a second. They don't have better burgers than your local grill, I'd bet, but they have something more valuable. It's a simple system. It's so simple that a teenager can run it from the first day they walk in the door. And that's not dumbing down their process, that's scaling up. Most entrepreneurs build their businesses around themselves. They're the only one that knows which button does what, where their chat files live, how to respond when something breaks. And so they become the bottleneck. Believe me, I've been there. In fact, I'm still trying not to be the bottleneck. Every decision has to wait for them. Every problem needs them. Growth means working more hours and not making more money. But when you've got 3 systems instead of 15, and AI is handling those repetitive work tasks, something magical happens. Your business becomes transferable. A new hire can learn your entire operation in a week instead of 6 months. A contractor can jump in without 20 different logins. And you can actually take a vacation without everything falling apart. And there's one thing a lot of growing businesses miss when they implement systems, and it means that managers get more questions from their team, which occupies their time. Once I added this, I was able to take time away with my family. Now think of it like this, continuing with the burger thing. If you're hungry and you're trying to find the closest McDonald's in your car and you plug in your phone, but no map appears and no screen, no audio instructions, essentially you don't know where you're going, you'd probably be stuck and you're going to be hungry. And that's why you need a system of process documents. Now, AI makes this way quicker. And I put together an app so you can save yourself hours writing your documentation. You can grab that below. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe below. And if you'd like to find out how we create standard processes in Notion, go right ahead and watch this video.